Hey guys, today is Tuesday, April the 7th, 2020. So I am going to present your lessons for the day. The first lesson we will start with is reading. So I will turn you around here. The reading passage for today is called Planet Particulars, and it is talking about inferencing. Okay, so you have a paragraph to read, and you'll have to study the picture also, the graphic aid. So I'm going to review what inferencing means. So we've talked about inferencing means when we take clues from the passage and what we know from our own experiences, and that helps us figure out what happens or why something happens the way it does. So it's like being a detective. You look for clues in the story, plus take what you know just from the experiences of your life, and it will help you determine what happens or why something happens. So back to the worksheet, you have planet particulars, and then there are 8 questions at the bottom that you will use inferencing and answer those questions. On the back side of that will be one called Guess the State. Okay, and again, you have to read the top and then use the clues to help you determine which state was the home of each of the new students. Okay, so again, taking what you know and what you read to decide what happens or why something happens. Okay, your next assignment for the day will be your math. Okay, and today is all multiplication and division. There are a lot of problems here. I think my computer just froze. There are a lot of problems here, but it is all simple one-digit multiplication. So it will look like this is your multiplication page. And then you will have a very similar one like this that is division. Remember, multiplication and division are related just like addition and subtraction. So division is the opposite of multiplication. So if you can multiply, you can divide. And that's how I do my division, is I think back. So if I look at the first problem, and let's look at the second problem, 16 divided by 8. So I think to myself, 8 times what is 16? That's my answer. So it would be 2. 8 times 2 is 16. Okay, your next lesson will be your spelling. You're continuing your spelling. So you're finding 8 words to learn and using those in a sentence. And then you are also continuing social studies. You're finishing those 10 states and capitals for the week. And then your last assignment is your science. Okay, so it looks like this. Again, you're still talking about Morse code. You have to read the text at the top and look at the picture. And that will help you answer your four questions for the day. So you're going to read and answer those 4 questions on Morse code. Also, remember, you need to be practicing those multiplication facts every day, and you need to be doing your reading on Epic. If you're not able to get on Epic, make sure you're reading a book every day. So have a great day, and I will see you tomorrow.